as a skin doctor, I'm going to decode some of these DIYs. Some could be really good for your skin that I'm going to talk about, and some could be really disastrous. Hi, I'm Dr. Riddhi and I'm a cosmetologist practicing Gurgaon. I would like to talk about some common skin DIYs today that I see a lot of patients come to me with. See, some of these are really good and some of these are not so good. So, we are talking about the ones that are not so good first. So, we get a lot of patients who apply fermented rice water on their skin. They use it as a toner also. Now, fermented rice water, also called as sake in its commercial formulation, it is actually a very good toner. It is something that reduces your blemishes and it works on your skin pores. But see, as the name suggests, it is fermented. It is acidic in nature. If you are going to apply something acidic on your skin unregulated, it can also burn your skin. It can thin down your skin, and it can increase your pigmentation. So, what to do in such a scenario? I wouldn't recommend applying fermented rice water without doctor application. And if you want to try it, use a commercial formulation. Japanese produce some of the best fermented rice water serums in the world, so you can use sake. It is very good. The number two very common DIY that we see is people applying lemon juice on their face and tomatoes on their face. Now, this is a total no-no because these are acidic in nature and they can actually be causing more pigmentation and very major bad allergies. Another thing that I see some patients doing is application of wart patches and fitkery either on warts or on pigmented areas or on acne. See, fitkery or potash alum has antibacterial properties, but again it's very acidic in nature. You cannot apply something like this on your skin without doctor supervision, and it has to be used as a proper Ayurvedic proprietary drug but not as a DIY at home. Now another very common DIY that I see a lot is using acne patches at home. See, acne patches, yes, of course, they reduce your acne, but they can sometimes leave a mark of the acne. So if your acne is something which is slightly red and very small bumpy, then only use an acne patch. Otherwise, please visit your doctor and let them guide you through your acne journey. So another very famous DIY these days are lip scrubs. See, lip as an organ does not have to be scrubbed. Scrubbing will not reduce lip pigmentation in any way, and lip is a very sensitive organ. So I say a total no-no to lip scrubs and any kind of rice or anything or sugar scrubs on your lips. They are a complete no-no. Now let's talk about some good DIYs that you can use at home. The number one and a good DIY is actually our very own Desi Uptan. So Uptan can be used as a detanning scrub, a detanning mask on your face and on your entire body. But again, I see a few percentage of people who are also allergic to besan. So make sure that you apply that on your arm first or on the back side of your ear and see the effects, and only then use it as a DIY. So a very common DIY that I recommend, which is very simple and effective, is that you use some besan and add some haldi to it and add curd. So this actually acts as a proper detan mask and a good exfoliating mask, and it can be used once or twice a week but not daily. This can also be used on your body. The benefits are that it acts as a good depigmenting agent. It reduces the oil secretions, it cleanses your skin and it exfoliates your skin. Also make sure that if any DIY is giving you any allergies, immediately stop usage and put some intensive moisturizer to soothe down your skin. Now another very good DIY that I would want to recommend is oatmeal mask. So you have to soak your oats overnight. Once they are very soft, you can put them in a grinder and put some curd inside it. So curd will act as a binding agent, and just grind these two together, and then you can apply this as a mask on your face, and it should give a good, nice, shiny, clean appearance to your skin. Now another very common DIY that your nannies, daddies grandparents and everybody has been using since ages is multani mitti. Now see, multani mitti can be used, but a lot of people are allergic to it. So I'll tell you how to use it carefully and what all you can put inside a multani mitti mask. So first of all, soak your multani mitti brick for half an hour in water. Let it become very soft. Once it's soft, you can add some tea tree oil to it. The tea tree oil is going to reduce your acne and inflammation on the face. And number 3, you can also add some rose water. That's going to act as a binding agent. Now, this should be applied on your skin and it works beautifully on acne prone skin. But again, if you have cystic acne or acne which are very painful, I wouldn't recommend applying any mask on your skin without doctor supervision. First, take proper medication, antibiotics, your anti-acne creams, and then you can do maintenance with these DIY masks. Now, coming to hair care, I see a lot of people applying what not on their hair. So, few things that you should not apply on your hair completely. Number 1 is onion juice. Number 2 is lemon. These are both extremely acidic and they can actually aggravate your issue more than actually reducing it. A good hair mask and moisturizer can be egg. So you can use the egg white and you can put some curd inside it and you can make a binding agent, and then once this mask is ready, apply it post shampooing and leave it on for 2-3 minutes and just wash it off. So this actually acts as a very good conditioner and reduces the fizziness of your hair. It also works on reduction of dandruff. So you can use this. So please tell me and your favorite DIYs that you've been using in comments, and I'm going to tell you whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down from my side. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel.